Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's start with it. The type of painting which made remarkable progress during the reign of Jahangir was whether it is fresco painting or battle scenes or portrait painting or miniature painting. So we need to find the right answer among these given four options. In the reign of Jahangir, mainly portrait painting flourished. Portrait painting flourished. During the reign of Jahangir, Mughal paintings continued to develop. Mughal paintings continued to develop, but they gradually become cold and rigid. Gradually became cold and rigid. Themes including musical parties, lovers, including musical parties, lovers, sometimes in intimate positions, on terraces, and gardens. An aesthetic gathered around a fire, gathered around a fire, abound in the Mughal painting of this period. Abound in the Mughal paintings of this period. Therefore, the right answer is option 3. So here we not only give the answer but also try to give a small description about it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.